Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sriliti, makeup artist. I'm a professional bridal makeup artist from Bangalore, and now we have offer going on for bridal makeup. For details, you can just contact me. It's just 50% discount. Yeah, now ad is over, marketing is over. Let's come to our topic. So I like to give few tips about this healthy and glowing skin. So you're going to be a bride. You have to take care of your skin. Why in the sense? When you apply makeup on the special day, it has to look very good. From the beginning, if you maintain your skin is a base. When you have a very good base, whatever you apply on your skin, it looks very good. It enhances more beauty. So what you have to do for that? First and foremost thing, you have to take care of inner health. Point is water. You have to take lot of water, at least 3 liters of water every day. Everyone knows this, but we doesn't follow this one. Because if you take lot of water, no, it keeps your skin hydrated. You will not have a breakage of skin, and if you have oil skin also, it controls. So your skin would be clear. This is the first point. The intake, whatever you intake, it enhances on your skin. So you have to take lots of fruits and vegetables. Like alternate days, you can have one thing. Like you can have beetroot, you can have raw beetroot, or you can make a salad and eat also. Because it gives inner glow to the skin. Beetroot, carrot, papaya, pomegranate, banana you can take every day. And all this actually gives a glow from inner. And you can take ghee every day, a little amount of ghee, that also enhances. And main thing, sleeping. At least 8 hours of sleep is very much important. Otherwise you might have a polished skin, everything, but when your under eyes is dark, it automatically gives a dull look to your face. It feels as if you're ill or something. So whatever it is, try to make sure you sleep at least 8 hours a day. The basic things, whatever I told, that you can follow. Now we'll come to the outer. What are the applications what you have to do? First and foremost thing, you have to do CTM. CTM in the sense cleansing, toning and moisturizing. That you have to do twice a day. Morning, what you have to do, you can cleanse your face. Cleansing your face, please don't use soaps. That is very harsh for your skin, that especially your face. So just go for a mild cleansers. That is available in market, you can just go and check. When you are washing, just with a circular motion, you can rub it and you can wash it. Then you can go for a toner, which is available in market. You can use that. Prepare yourself from your home. In a sense, first of all, you can use this rose water as a toner. That is very much good. Half amount of rose water and half amount of water, you can just mix it and you can just spray it on your face. And once it is dry, then you can go ahead with applying moisturizer. Or you can prepare by yourself. That is, you can use this oranges, the original orange, not the hybrid ones. The original orange peel. You can just remove that peel and boil it in the water. Boil it nicely. Then you can cool down the water. Then after that, you can just spray it and you can use it. Third thing is moisturizer. Moisturizer is must and should, everyone should apply. It keeps your skin smooth and hydrated. It has to be followed for all skin types. Maybe it is dry skin or oily skin. Some people, they might think I already have oily skin. If I apply more moisturizer, it might be sticky or greasy. It's not like that. For oily skin, you have water-based moisturizers. You can use that and apply. So when you're applying moisturizer, that is also should be in a circular motion. Don't give too much of pressure. Neck also, because your skin might be very smooth after applying moisturizer, but your neck, you'll start getting wrinkles later stages. If you maintain both, it look, even if you're aged also, the wrinkles will not be visible much. Second thing, you can go for scrubbing. Actually, for skin care, more and more, whatever you use the natural products, that are well and good, because maybe the process would be slower, but later on you'll not get any side effects or nothing. Really very good actually. For scrubbing, you can use the normal scrubber that is available in market. Please go for mild scrubbers, or you can prepare it by yourself in home. Scrubber, you can just do it from your home also. You can use coffee powder, a little amount of coffee powder, and you can mix it along with aloe vera gel or along with curd. Apply gently and slowly. You just scrub it for 2 minutes. Then you can just wash it in lukewarm water. Weekly twice you are supposed to do this. If you keep on doing, your skin will get damaged, not more than twice a week. Then after scrubbing, please use icing. Icing is very much important, because once you do scrubbing, your pores opens up and all dirt comes out. And the dirt skin, whatever is there, it peels off. So if you don't cover, when you are going out, the more dirt gets captured, and whatever the skin care what you have done, it's waste. Ice cubes don't directly use on your face. Just wrap it in a cotton cloth and just tap it. Tapping is fine. That is fine for your face and neck. That also you can be used only for twice a week. That is another. Then you can use a moisturizer and you can go for it. And one more thing, daytime, without using sunscreen, don't step out. Sunscreen is very much important in daytime. You might think I'm there inside the home only, nothing will happen. No, it's not like that. It will not work like that. Because the sun rays might from the window, door, it might come inside and it reflects on your skin. It is very much important. In the daytime, you have to apply sunscreen to maintain your skin. In night, the same three process: cleansing, toning, and moisturizing you can use. And please don't forget about your lips. Lips is also important because when you apply lipstick on your special day, and if you have a dry lips or cracked lips, when you apply your lipstick, it will not look good. You will not have good finish. So you can scrub your lips weekly twice using sugar, little amount of and honey. You can just scrub it so that dirt, whatever breakage, it comes out. Then you can use a lip balm and sleep. Face packs. That also you can prepare it by yourself from home. That is very much good. As I told, skincare most of the times you can go for natural. That is really best. Future videos, I'll be showing or I'll be saying which are the face packs how you can use. After cleansing your face, before applying face packs, you have to just cleanse your face. After cleansing your face, just tap it. And always just don't use your towels very harsh on your face. Always just tap and remove the excess water. Because when you harshly do it, later on you'll be getting wrinkles very soon. The face packs, you can use papaya face pack, like papaya, the very ripe papaya which is there. That you can just mash it in your hand, then you can apply, then for some 10-15 minutes, then you can wash it. Or aloe vera, fresh aloe vera, just peel it and whatever the gel is there inside, smash it, you can apply. But aloe vera when you apply, you'll be getting some irritation in the beginning, but it is very good for your skin. That you can do. Aloe vera you can use the real aloe vera, the fresh ones what is available from the plant, or you can use it from the market also it is available. Few more face packs which you can do it from yourself and apply, or else which is available from market. The Mind Ones, please use the Mind Ones, that you can use it. If you are a person who have never tried eyebrows or removing facial hair, please, and if you are planning to remove also, please do it prior before, at least a month before. Just check whether it suits your face. And if you remove facial hair, that will be much well and good, because when you apply makeup on your special day, the foundation goes and settle down. If you have lot of hair towards the side or here, it's better to remove, because it looks very obviously on pictures, on the photographs, that it will go, because the foundation goes and settle down there, so it will look very obviously on photographs. So it is better to try remove, or else no issues. But if you wanted to remove, please try it a month before or 2 months before itself. Because first time when you're doing it, it automatically looks totally different for yourself, and people around you, they might look you different. But when you're doing prior itself, everyone will get used for that, and you yourself will get used for seeing your face like that. So on the special day, it will not make much difference, and you will not feel any awkwardness. And even your partner will get used for seeing your face like this. That is the one thing. Then anything, whatever you are going to try, if you are doing facial for the first time also, please don't keep it on the last moment, because for some people, when they do facial, when they do chemical facial, it do not suit for them. Especially like me, for me also, it doesn't suit. If I go out and if I do facial, next day itself I start getting pimples and other stuff. So it is better to try, and better to try a month or 2 months before itself. Anything, whatever you're going to try, because it's your huge big day, don't just mess it up. Whatever you're going to try newly, try it before a month or 2 months before itself. So you'll get to know whether that suits your face, that suits your skin, everything. If you're choosing eye lens also, please go for this. If you already have a black eye or a brown eye, better go for a brownish lens itself. Because if you're using the other colors, it gives a totally different look. People who come for your big day, they might find it very hard, and in pictures also it will be hard for you. It's better to choose the honey brown shades if you're going for lens. That also, please try it at least 1 week before. Because you might think it's so difficult, why you have to do all those things. Just remember, it's your special day, and you're the star over there. So if you keep following all this from the beginning, from the day when the event is fixed, from the next day itself you can start doing all this, because it's a natural process. Time to give a enhanced, glowing look. and it will be long lasting also, and you will not get any side effects which are stored naturally. And maybe in future videos I'll be sharing few tips about how you can packs by your own naturally, and you can use it. And scrubs also from naturally, the homemade scrubs, whatever it is there, I'll be sharing the few tips. And one more thing, that please don't use junk foods. Junk foods, no, because junk foods and oily food, because you start getting pimples on your face, and that will not be good on your special day. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, if people are having active pimples, please don't do scrubbing, because when you start doing scrubbing, it peels and might fall on the other place, and you start getting pimples there, active pimples there. So first of all, you have to get rid of the pimple. What you're going to do, if you have active pimple, better thing, you can go for this sandal. Use a sandal paste, just tap it going for bed, just tap over there. Wherever the active pimples are there, you can just tap it there. So in 1 or 2 days, that dries up. After drying up, you can use this aloe vera gel, so that the marks will go slower. Yeah, I think this video will be helpful for all of you. Usually I give this tips to my brides. I thought let me share with all of you. Yeah, please make use of this. Bye.